Hello everybody and welcome to this channel. So this video is the continue of the first part where I showed Facebook ad campaign for Clickbank offer. In the first part, I selected one of the product from marketplace of Clickbank, right? Manifestation Magic. This is one of my account, right? Clickbank account, and we selected the product and we understand the product about everything, and then we created a landing pages with lead pages step by step, right? And then now in this video I'm going to show you how to set up, how to promote that landing pages, right, with Facebook. So right now we are into Facebook, one of my account. So if you have not seen that video, right, you have to must watch that video step by step. The link is popping up right now in the window, and I have also given the first part video link in the description. So here, right, we are going to select traffic. We are not going to select right now for conversion. Okay, we are going to select the traffic, and once we selected the traffic, so we'll name the campaign, and we will name the campaign with like manifestation, right, manifestation magic, right, 101, because I already ran the campaign with this. Okay, so I'm going to use 101, right? And we are not going to use split test right now. For this I'm going to make some other video which is the most important, actually doing the split test. And also in this video I'm not going to show you the campaign budget optimization, because we are going to use the daily budget, and we'll do continue. So here we are going to name the ad set. We'll name the ad set, right, manifestation, or I will give like manifestation magic US, right, which I'm going to target, right, 30. Just you can give anything because this is for your purpose, ad set name, right? So you can give this thing US 30, and then we'll keep the traffic website, and then we're not going to do anything in dynamic creative for this and all. I'm going to make a video here. And now, right, this is really important. We don't have any custom audience or something like that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll select the country, United States, everyone in this location, or you can also click here people who live in this location. Okay, for this we'll keep people who live in this location. There will be no more changes you will see here. It's like United States. Okay, we are gonna also see this Facebook demographic which is given by Manifestation Magic. You can see in their affiliate page, you can see they're asking us to target, right, male and female both, age 40, and US is the top market. These are the tier 1 country markets. Okay, and interest is based on the law of attraction, spirituality, or manifestation related, like. Okay, so what we're going to do is we have set up the United States, and the age we're going to change some here. We'll click here and we'll make it 25, right? They're asking 40, but my experience with promoting manifestation product is like from 25. Generally I set up 25. Okay, or you can also set up from 30 to 64. Okay, so we have set up the age as per they have given, right, and genders, right, all. Okay, and now this is detailed targeting. This is really important. Okay, so this is really important, right? This will help us to target our product on the right market. So they have told us law of attraction. If you see, they told the law of attraction. So the law of attraction is one of the big page in Facebook. The law of attraction. You can see the interest is, the size is, right, is huge. So we're going to select this interest, the law of attraction. Okay, now if you're running the campaign first time, right, instead of targeting very completely narrow down, you should go with a broad. Why broad the first time? Because not very much broad. This is very much broad. You can reduce it. Okay, you can narrow down the audience, that I'm going to show you in a second. But right, because this is the first time you're going to test your creatives, your images, okay, that I'm going to set up right now, the next. So in narrow down, this is actually is huge, right? So what we're going to do is like we'll narrow down, and as if you study this product, right, this product is a lot more about, right, how to attract wealth, okay, and love and happiness. So for that you have to read more about the product. So I read a lot of things, right, offer page as well as their email swipe, right. You can see that in email swipe is also talking about, right, money van, okay, manifestation cash in 24 hours. So as per my knowledge, right, this product is more about, right, attracting wealth, love and happiness. So I am going to, one of the key thing about targeting is, right, one variable. Do not put a lot of things here, okay. I'll go depth on this, right, when I'm going to make a different video about Facebook, okay, how I am targeting, how I am reducing, because this will help you to reduce your CPC and to gain right, target market. So I'm going to type here wealth, okay, or income, right, let me see, this income is also there, being an interest, okay, or I will target money, people who are looking money, who want to attract. So right, law of attraction, who believe in law of attraction, who are in whose interest is in law of attraction, and also looking money, want to make money. So I can select this thing, okay. So money, you can select wealth, and now you will see a sudden right down, right, now the potential reach is very less now, okay. And you can also see the link click is 39 only, okay, minimum. So average, right, this can vary. Some, if they are showing it 39, it will go to, right, 50 also, but this is a, right, estimated, right. So you can more narrow down, but I will start with this one, and I'm going to make a different ad set. If I want to target the detail interest, I'm going to make a different ad set. There I'm going to again select the law of attraction, and I'm going to select wealth, okay. So in other videos, right, in Facebook, especially learning Facebook, guys, I'm going to show you how to optimize the audience insight, which will give you a lot of things, okay. So now right, all languages, connection and all, I'm going to keep it like that only. Add connection type, you don't need to do anything here if you're a completely beginner, right. So language you can select, or you can select all language, like I will keep it like English, right, because I'm targeting US. So I'm going to select the US English, or you can keep all also, that's up to you. And the placement, again, this placement is important thing, which will save you a lot of cost, okay. So for the beginner, I'm not going to use audience network, right, Instagram and Messenger. I just want to target with Facebook feed only, right. So you can see Facebook news feed is there, Instagram feed is there, okay. I'm going to remove all of this, okay. I'm going to keep only news feed, okay, for this thing. I'm going to test it a lot, right. You can't analyze anything, right, in while setting while using Facebook ad, okay. You have to test, okay, research, test and repeat. This is what I learned from my mentor, that going to help you to reduce, or you have to repeat, research, test and repeat until you're not getting your desired results. It's just very simple, okay. And I'm also going to remove this search from here, okay, in article. So now it is only one, okay, this is just one. So now the potential reach is 970,000, okay. And I am selected only one placement, you can see here in the asset customization, okay. And the reach is awesome for me. I am very okay with the 40 link clicks. It will sometime go to 60-70 also, or sometime it is less than that also, okay. But always I have seen that you're going to get amazing, right, 40 and more, okay. So feed is done, and you have to test a lot here. And here in the budget and schedule, right, you have an option to use link click or landing page views. So if you're going to select landing page views, you're gonna get only 16 landing page views, or 16 to 45. That means when people is going to arrive in your this landing page, okay, this landing page, then only the deduction will happen, right? Your budget will deduct. Okay, so here it is showing in Indian rupees, but I love to go with, right, $5 right now in the beginning, so I'll make it 700 rupees, so it is close to $5 right now in the beginning, because I have to test. Okay, and because my experience with Facebook ad and US market, I will not go with landing page views. I will love to go with link clicks, because in UK and US I have seen that the link clicks, I'm getting a lot of link clicks than landing pages. So I'll go with link clicks. I'll keep 700. You can see these results. Okay, and slowly I will increase. So potential reach is 970, okay, thousand, which is awesome for me. 970,000, and reach is awesome. Link clicks are 35 to 102. That's fine for me. Okay, and then I will do continue. So here we are going to create our ad. All the creatives we are going to use it here. So we'll name the ad US 30, and then we have to select the Facebook page. So today, right, the things are completely changed. You must need a Facebook growing page. Okay, so having a Facebook page is really important. You can select the Facebook page, whatever the page you have. So I will always recommend you to have a page, right? You can see this manifestation valley. This is one of my page generally I used whenever I'm going to sell any product from Clickbank, and that product is related to manifestation, spirituality. So having a niche page is really important today, right? So select that page over here. In some other video I'm going to show you how to grow a niche based page, getting free traffic like this. Okay, and I have many pages which is having thousands of traffic, which I bought it free. So you don't need to run an ad to grow this kinds of page, but you must need a good page, right? Once if you selected the right page, okay, and then the creative ad. So here we're going to use single image or video, and that is add media. Here we're going to select the add image first. So one of the thing is, do not use any ad images from the stock images. Try to use the images, good images, right? You can create those images by going to Fiverr, and you can give those works to someone, right? So account image, here you have a stock image, so avoid generally stock image. Okay, so instead of you can see there are so many different images are there, right? Few of them are stock images. Don't use that. Okay, so you can, meanwhile for this I'm just uploading one image. Image is always a matter of Facebook disable or disapproval. So I'm going to use this image. This work for me. I test a lot of image, by the way. I don't come to conclusion by just selecting one images. You can see I have selected this image. You can select a video, right, if you want a video. So right now it will look like this. So now guys, we have to put the primary text here, and before that guys, I just want to put this landing page. If you have not seen creating this landing page, you have to watch the part 1 of this video. The link is popping up right now in the window, and the link is also given in the description, where I showed how to create these landing pages, how to put the disclaimer and everything, right, step by step. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to put this thing in website URL. Okay, so here I'm going to paste it. Okay, so right now it is going to update. So now you can see this, it is done. Okay, so now the primary text. All right, for the primary text guys, I already came with this, right? Finally, after watching this video created by the law of attraction and manifestation expert Alexander Wilson, I discovered the manifestation of any desire is not complicated. Click the link below to watch the video presentation and see if Alexander revolutionary techniques can work for you too. Watch the video now to manifest. So this I'm going to take it here. This is my the primary text or the copy. So you can come up with awesome copy. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how I write copy. Copywriting is one of my skill which I learn after a lot of failures and Facebook ban and disapprovals. It is here. I'm also going to give the link here. You can also check the URL, right, the preview of this URL, whether it's working or not, because if it's not going to work, your Facebook ad will disapprove. Okay, so I put here because I said, right, click the link below to watch the video presentation. Okay, so here I'm not claiming anything that manifestations desire you will come up with this money or anything. I don't use all those words. Okay, I just said, right, watch this video created by Alexander Wilson, right, and you can learn, right, how I discovered that manifestation is not hard. You maybe discover with his techniques. So I given the link here, and now in the headline, right, I am going to already wrote this thing, right, watch the video now to manifest abundance. So I'm going to put it here. So this is short and sweet. You can see this is going to reflect it here. Watch the video now to manifest abundance. Here in the description also I have write this headline: learn how to manifest abundance of any desire, success, wealth, love and happiness almost instantly. So this is from the landing page. You can give from here, or you can write your own, or you can also write this, right? Watch the video to learn love of attraction and a manifestation expert, Alexander Wilson. Manifestation of any desire is not complicated, something like that, right? You can give here in the description if you want. So here I'm given, so it will prompt here, right, in the down. Then once if you have given here, the headline is done, right, and the description is done. The most important thing is call to action. Now you have to give call to action. So here it is already there, learn more. So I'm going to test a different ad with lot of different creatives, right? So this is just I'm showing, right, one of the options. So you can click anything from here. Like we said, this is a video, so you can give watch more, okay, or learn more, right, something like that, right? So from here you can give, that's right, learn more works always better, okay, but that right, you can give watch more also, but this is something not to analyze, this is something to test. Okay, you can't analyze anything. So here I'm just selecting learn more. Okay, so now my creatives are almost done. Okay, so this is news feed. You can also see the desktop news feed. Okay, right, watch the video now to manifest abundance, learn more. Okay, so almost I am done with everything here. So we have given all the creative and everything here properly. You can go back and you can also check your ad set, your campaign and everything again. So I'm going to go here and I will say confirm. So the moment I will confirm, this ad will go for a review, and that review will going to approve within a 24 hours. Okay, so if you did everything right within a 6 to sometime it will 6 hours, sometime 4, that depends. Okay, and then you can move on, right? So hope you like this video. Give the thumbs up to this video if you like the video, and do watch the part 1 of this video where I showed everything, creating, choosing the product and everything, and then you can come up here and you can watch the entire the process. Okay, hope you like this. Give the thumbs up, do comment me down, right? Thank you very much for now.